Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel friends. Today we are talking about new project which name is EcoballChain. EcoballChain is highly scalable blockchain system connecting many other blockchains. The new generation blockchain with low transaction cost 100,000 TPS and cross-chain compatibility. When you click on Explorer, they have their own Explorer and this is the Explorer page. You can also check out yourself, and you can also check out here transaction record, and this is the validator page. When you click on validator, this is the validator page. Here you can see here the staking option is also available here, EcoBridge, and you can also add their EcoballChain into your MetaMask. Very simple to add login to your MetaMask. After that, click on add chain and it will automatically add to your MetaMask. And this is the documentation page of EcoballChain. Here you can read overview, EcoballChain homepage, basic information, EcoballChain introduction, token special topic, consensus mechanism, blockchain explorer, ecological application, digital wallet, web digital wallet, mobile digital wallet, staking and voting. All detail is available on this documentation. You can read yourself. When you click on ecosystem, this is the page EcoballChain ecosystem. They will work different blockchains. As you can see here, Benny Swap Desk, EcoBridge, USwap, EcoScan, CherrySwap, ShareWorld, Infinity, TUFi, Hunter and Address Desk. You can also read their white paper here, and this is ecosystem presentation video. Play this video and can watch this video. And this is the investor detail of EcoballChain, and this is the key features of EcoballChain: processing up to 100,000 TPS, close to zero trading fees, cross-chain compatibility. You can also click here to learn more. And these are the social links of EcoballChain, and this is roadmap detail. First half of 2020 public chain development completed, blockchain browser development, VPOS, governance mechanism development. Second half 2020 the development of blockchain browser is completed. The development of VPOS governance mechanism has been completed. Second half of 2021 the cross-chain bridge link ether chain is completed. The public chain joint commission and cross-chain overall test are completed. EcoballChain public chain main network online. You can also join its bounty. Bounty duration is 3 weeks. First of all, you need to read these bounty detail and these general rules. After reading this, you can provide your proof of authentication and you can join any campaign. First campaign is Twitter campaign, and these are the rules for Twitter campaign. First 100 followers requirement, 90% order score should be on Twitter, and these hashtags you should have to use during your weekly submission. And this is the reward allocation. Click here for registration, simply click, and this is Twitter form. First of all, your Bitcoin Talk username, Bitcoin Talk profile link, Twitter username, Twitter profile link, and your proof of authentication link, EcoballChain address. What is your EcoballChain address? As I told you how you can add this chain address into your MetaMask. This is your eco address. Simply copy it and then paste it on this registration form. Token will be sent to in this address, and how many Twitter followers do you have, and then submit this form. Your registration will be done. Second campaign is Telegram campaign, and these are the rules. You can also apply for this campaign if you are interested. And the Reddit campaign is also available here, Discord campaign, YouTube campaign, and signature campaign. If you have any rank on Bitcoin Talk, you can join this campaign, and this is the spreadsheet link here. You can check out your status. And this is all about I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for free earning, for free crypto earning. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.